So I'm starting off with a clean base. I've already applied my foundation. I've set my face with the translucent powder. You don't need to buy a typical translucent powder. Any talcum powder will work. So now I'm taking black smudgy pencil and applying all over my eyelids. You don't need to be perfect over here. Just scribble the way you want, because as it is Halloween, so you don't need to be perfect whatever you are doing on your face. And then take a black eyeshadow and just place it all over your lids. Just do it however you want it. As I told you, it's Halloween, so even if you mess this look, it's still going to look really awesome. So just, you don't need to be worried, because you don't need to have that professional skills. Whatever you're doing, you're going to do it best. Just keep that in mind. Okay, now I'm going to sculpt my face with a black eyeshadow. So I'm going to accentuate my under eye more, so it will give me a more dead look, which I want. So this makeup look is a zombie look. So as you know, zombies are dead, so that does not have to be precise and perfect. So just do whatever I'm doing on screen, and it's really easy to follow. Oh, and yeah, I'm going to list all the products I've used in this tutorial in the description below, so do check it. So contour your face, the nose and your jawline with the same shadow. So this makeup look is really low budget. You don't need expensive SFX makeup products. You just need whatever there is in your wardrobe, into your makeup kit. That's it. So don't put much efforts in this makeup, because in the end you have to look pretty horrible. So if anyone is giving a compliment that you are not looking good, so just don't take it personally, because that's what we want. It's Halloween, you have to look horrible. So yeah. Okay, now let's move on to the next step. So you can literally skip the step, but I just want to take it a little further. So here I'm applying lash glue all over around my mouth area, and then I'm placing cotton. You can even use tissue paper also. Then take red lipstick, and then just apply over there, and then blend the product precisely, so you know it will look like as if it's a blood. Okay, now we are coming to the last part of the tutorial, like just finishing touches. Do your liner, apply your mascara, and you can just skip your lipstick, or if you want you can apply lipstick also. So yeah, we are done with the tutorial. I hope you guys like it.